Imagine discovering websites so useful they feel illegal to know. In today's video, I'll show you 7 amazing free websites that can automate your work, edit videos online, edit PDFs for free, create stunning designs, generate logos and domains, download beautiful fonts, and even remove objects from pictures using AI. These websites are perfect for students, content creators, business owners, office workers, everyday internet users. Make sure you watch till the end because the bonus website is absolutely insane. And if you love discovering amazing hidden websites, subscribe to NattyTechInsights right now. Let's get started. First website, Make. This website helps you automate tasks online without coding. For example, you can automatically save email attachments to Google Drive, post social media content automatically, connect apps together, create powerful AI workflows. It's basically like having your own digital assistant. Quick tutorial, open Make website, create a free account, click on Get Started, and then follow the instructions. Choose apps you want to connect. Drag and drop automation blocks. Run the workflow automatically after connection of the accounts. Still trying to connect Gmail, ChatGPT together. You can choose any templates of your choice and link them and hit run. Need more advanced tools? Go for Pro Plan. This website is perfect for productivity lovers and business owners. Next website, VideoCandy. This is a free online video editing toolkit. You can edit video, compress video, trim video, merge videos, crop video, resize video, etc. And the best part? You don't need heavy software. Quick tutorial, choose the tool you want. For example, let's add music. Upload your video. Tap on this plus sign to add music background or sound you want. Click on Export and download your final file. You can download the file directly with watermark or upgrade to remove watermark. Edit instantly online. Simple, fast, beginner-friendly. PDFgear. This next website is honestly one of the best free PDF tools online. PDFgear lets you edit PDFs, read PDFs, compress PDFs, merge PDFs, crop PDF, highlight PDF, annotate PDF, add signatures, etc. And surprisingly, many premium features are free. You can use it on Windows, Mac, and Android. Quick tutorial, open PDFgear. Select the tool you want to use. For this tutorial, I choose Highlight PDF, upload your PDF file, and highlight the text on your PDF. Select Highlight Edit icon on the top left side. Download the final file instantly. This is extremely useful for students and office workers. Next, Kittl. Now let's talk about Kittl. This website helps you create stunning graphic designs in minutes. You can design logos, thumbnails, posters, t-shirts, social media graphics, and the templates look premium. Quick tutorial, create free account. Choose template. Customize text and graphics. Export your design. This website is a goldmine for content creators. Next, Namecheap. Most people think Namecheap is only for domain names, but it's much more than that. You can buy domains, create websites, generate logos, host websites, use free online tools. Quick tutorial. Search for your domain name, check availability. For example, let's search for Natty Web Designs. Use their free logo maker. Launch your website easily. Perfect for beginners starting online businesses. The next website is 1001 Fonts. Need beautiful fonts for thumbnails and designs? Use 1001 Fonts. This website gives you thousands of free fonts for YouTube, thumbnails, posters, logos, editing projects. Quick tutorial. Search any font style. Download font. Extract and install on your computer. Use in Canva, Photoshop, or CapCut. Very useful for creators and designers. Bonus, Cleanup.Pictures. Bonus website, Cleanup.Pictures. This AI website removes unwanted objects from images instantly. You can remove people, wires, background distractions, random objects, and the results are surprisingly clean. Quick tutorial, upload image. Brush over unwanted object. AI removes it automatically. Download clean image. This feels like magic, honestly. Which website surprised you the most? For me, Cleanup.Pictures and Make are absolutely insane. If you enjoyed this video, like the video, subscribe to NattyTechInsights, share with your friends, and comment below. Next part, if you want more hidden amazing websites. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.